Ready? ASTC classes, exercise 298. Start. In compliance of the order so passed by the High Court, the applicant MTDC deposited 50% of the award amount in the High Court. Full stop. Thereafter, the present appellants filed civil application number 3432 of 2017 for withdrawal of the amount so deposited by the applicant dash MTDC full stop. However, on 7/6/2017, the High Court ordered on the application so moved by the present appellants that they would be entitled to withdraw 50% of the deposited amount subject to filling of an undertaking to redeposit, if so directed in future, full stop. The balance amount was ordered to be invested in a fixed deposit, full stop. This order dated 7/6/2017, on its material contents, reads as under : para code. The application is partly allowed, full stop. The applicants are permitted to withdraw 50% of the deposited amount on submitting an undertaking that in the event any adverse order is passed, the applicants will redeposit the said amount within 4 months of passing such order, full stop. The balance amount shall be invested in a fixed deposit receipt in any nationalized bank initially for a period of 2 years, and if required, for further period till disposal of the appeal, full stop. Civil applications stands deposited of, full stop, uncode para. Thus, at the given stage, the resultant position was that pursuant to the order dated 14/12/2016, only 50% of the amount awarded by the reference court was to be deposited by the acquiring agency, and even out of this amount, only 50% was allowed to be withdrawn by the claimants / appellants, full stop. Thus, in effect, the appellants were to get in hand only 25% of the compensation amount awarded by the reference court, full stop, para. Against the aforesaid order dated 7/6/2017, the claimants / appellants approached this court by way of SLP (C) number 19818 of 2017, leading to civil appeal number 1348 of 2018, full stop. When the said appeal came up for consideration before this court, it was not disputed by the parties that in a similar matter, being the case of Wajid Mia, Abdur Rahman Sheikh and others versus Maharashtra Industrial Development Corporation and others, civil appeal number 8056 of 2013, the High Court order staying payment of the enhanced amount of compensation had been modified to the effect that 50% of the enhanced amount of compensation would be released without security, and the balance 50% would be released on furnishing security, full stop. There being no dispute about applicability of the order so passed by this court in civil appeal number 8056 of 2013 (supra), the appeal filed by the present appellants was also allowed in the same terms, and the impugned order of the High Court was modified, full stop. The order dated 29/1/2018 passed by this court in disposal of the said appeal of the appellants, civil appeal number 1348 of 2018, comma, on its material contents reads as under colon dash para code heard learned counsel for the parties full stop para leave granted full stop para. It is not disputed that in a similar matter being Wajid Mia Abdul Rahman Sheikh and others versus Maharashtra Industrial Development Corporation and others within bracket civil appeal number 8056 of 2013 etc. comma the High Court order staying payment of enhanced compensation has been modified to the effect that 50% of the enhanced compensation be released without security and the balance of 50% to be released on furnishing security full stop unquote. Thank you.